Hey, what's up fellas? Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. If you watch this video, it's because you want to make money online. And then if you want to make money online, it's because you want to help your wife and family to have a very good quality of life, which is something very, 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 very awesome and should keep up, buddy. Okay guys, let's speak a little bit about the best way to make money online, okay? Okay guys, now before we start, let me give you this quote, um, people with goals succeed because they know where they are going, okay? Yeah, people with goals succeed because they know where they are going, this is a quote from Earl Nightingale, he's a motivational speaker, one of the best in America or in the world, yeah, personal development. Okay guys, as I told you guys before, if you guys want to make money online, the best thing that you guys gotta do it is to promote more. You have to promote. You have to promote on Facebook, TikTok. Yeah, you gotta promote. You gotta promote and promote and promote. Because the more you promote, the more opportunity you will give to your customer to buy your product, and this is exactly something that you definitely want to do. You want to promote every day so that your customer has the opportunity to buy your product and you have the opportunity to make money. You understand, buddy? Okay, but before you do that, you gotta know your niche. You have to know your area of expertise. You gotta have a niche. Your area of expertise. There are many niches. There is the wealth niche, which I am. Where I teach people how to make money online or offline. You guys gonna see a lot in my channel. I will tell you guys about the best way to make money, where to invest, where not to invest, all this kind of stuff. There is the wealth niche, there is the motivational niche, there is the health niche. There is the relationship niche. The relationship niche is really growing. Because if you know how can I say, how to go and find a woman and find a girlfriend or find a girlfriend, you can teach this to other people. You teach this to other people on YouTube or TikTok and you're gonna make a lot of money. You can create your own course. You can create your own course, create your own, or just make a series of videos on YouTube and then start teaching people, in exchange for a little commission. You're gonna be fine. This is the only thing that you gotta do. You don't need to do much things. Maybe you already know something, but because you're doubting yourself too much, then you're not doing anything. Put this in your mind. This is number one. The other things is that, okay, I told you guys before, you gotta have your own niche. Now, you have your own niche. Now, you gotta have, so when you create your channel and then you have your own niche, you can have also sub niches. Like for example, I speak about wealth. Okay, the best way to make money online or offline. I speak that a lot. Yeah, no, I speak that a lot. But I also sometimes will speak about motivational stuff. I will motivate you guys. I will tell motivational stuff, how you guys can improve in your life and every single thing. I will speak a lot about personal development. Yeah, there is this thing. Sometimes I will speak a little bit about health. How you guys can be fit. And what is the best way to be fit. I will speak also a little bit about relationship, how you guys can behave with your wife, or something like this. Things like that. I will speak also about this. I speak about sub niches, So it is this like this. You gotta have a main niche and you gotta have sub niches. Okay? You gotta pick your niche and then later you have to speak also about sub niches. Okay, buddy? Not only this thing, uh, like for example, what I wanted to say even, like you guys have to do this, and the best place that you guys can promote right now, it is a lot on TikTok, because on TikTok, I'm seeing a lot of people making money just by doing comedy stuffs, funny stuff, even things that people cannot imagine. They make things funny stuffs and what they are doing daily life. Like for example, there is this one that it is very good. It is a kid who goes around and start to play football with a lot of people on the street, and he filmed that, and is making cash on that. You gotta think, maybe you have already a talent, you have to use it. Okay, buddy? Okay, guys, write your comments below, subscribe to this channel, share this video, and check the link below so that you can learn how to make money online in a very effective way. And I'll see you next video, buddy. Bye.